A pair of watchful eyes staring from among the bunch of leaves of a forest tree. Or else basking elegantly in the sun with utmost lethargy. We had spotted this large bird in the wild on various occasions in these ways. If managed to observe those eyes, beak and claws very clearly, we could make out one thing, that it is an excellent hunter of the forest. And the preys which they select are quite unique. This bird belonging to the eagle family is not so uncommon that it is found throughout the jungles of Asia from India to Malaysia. While traveling through these landscapes, this bird species is frequently spotted as there is a healthy population of them. However, only few wildlife enthusiasts or bird watchers enjoy their sightings. Like that of any other living thing in nature, we need to know that there are many interesting aspects involved in their life too. Apart from having great strength and other adaptations required for a predatory life, it also has beautiful colors. The yellow colored skin around the eye and the buff colored body parts decorated with white spots are the other features which add to its beauty. When they perched on the tree branch with their wings half open, we would get delighted even more. This bird got the name as crested serpent eagle, as it has got small feathers which forms a crest. Even though the bird's name has a crest, the fact is that it is not always displayed except they get excited. The crest is also seen displayed as they bask in the sun during the winter morning. The presence of the crest is also seen as the wind blows from behind while they sit on open branches. Scanning the surroundings while perched on a high branch like this all throughout the day is one of its common nature. They would come to the ground mainly to quench their thirst, which could be from any forest streams or other water bodies. After thorough inspection, they might come to the ground otherwise for their exclusive prey, the snakes. This bird got the serpent part to their name as they largely feed on snakes, regardless they are small or big. Every type of snakes, whether venomous or not, also form a part of their diet. Those legs, which are not covered by feathers but having thick scales, give protection against the bites from venomous snakes. And those claws, which are kept folded, indicate the bird is resting peacefully. We had also seen another eagle with similar size during our explorations in the forest. Their body is white all over. These are fully grown individuals but are sexually immature. They will attain the adult plumage after about 3 years. There is a question commonly asked to us by many tourists during the safaris: why there are not many snakes found in the forest? The answer to that question is the presence of crested serpent eagle. This is one of the key roles executed by nature through crested serpent eagle as a predatory bird for maintaining the ecological balance.